How do you make the Waves LV1 Classic actually volunteer friendly? That's the question a lot of church production teams are asking. Out of the box, the LV1 Classic does some heavy lifting. On first boot, every channel already has filter, dynamics, and EQ preloaded, so you're not stuck building racks from scratch. But if your team is mostly volunteers, how you set it up determines whether Sunday feels smooth and stress-free or like a tech nightmare. In this video, I'll show you exactly how we configured the LV1 Classic to keep things simple, organized, and volunteer-friendly, without giving up the power this desk brings to your church. The first step, clean layers. A clearly labeled touchscreen and fader bank is the foundation. As you can see, I keep mine color-coded and organized by category: band, vocals, broadcast, etc. And on my top layer, I have my important things, my quick access stuff. My instrument groups, important microphones like my pastor, my announcement microphone, my instrument effects, and miscellaneous media sources like ProPresenter audio or an MP3 player. Having everything organized keeps volunteers from playing the "where do I find this" game during a critical live moment. Step 2 is smart plugin racks. The LV1 Classic ships with enough plugins to give you a rock-solid mix out of the box, but you don't want volunteers getting lost in endless options. Pick your go-to EQ and compressor, tune it to your space, and save the templates. As you can see, for our drum channel, kick for example, we're using the stock Emo F2 filter, Emo Q4 equalizer, and the Emo D5 dynamics for some gating. We also threw on a CLA 76 for some additional flavor and compression, and on our snare we have a transient shaper. But keeping these templates built and consistent gives you a consistent, proven baseline every week. Step 3, leveraging scenes. Use SceneSafe to create presets for different contexts. Broad stroke like youth, rehearsal, Sunday. Snapshots for different parts of the service like I have it set up, pre-service, song 1, sermon, etc. This gives your volunteers a one-click reset button instead of reinventing the wheel each week. Step 4, optional add-ons. If you're like me and 17 physical faders isn't enough, just expand. External fader banks like the Icon Platform M Plus or SSL UF8 Plus connect easily via USB. Or if you prefer more screens, add a second touchscreen monitor and double your fader count digitally. And yes, Waves is rumored to be working on their own official fader wing expansion. Bottom line, the LV1 Classic can absolutely be volunteer-friendly if you configure it right. Keep it clean, save smart templates, build solid scenes, and expand if needed. If you want help configuring your system, diving into specs, or planning upgrades, give us a call. We live and breathe this stuff. I hope this peek into our LV1 workflow helps your team walk into Sundays confident and ready to mix. Thanks for watching.